Hi all, this is Mr. David Au. I am doing a short tutorial just about the bandsaw, how it is going to be used when you're back in the wood shop. So I have a small key that is going to be put into the bandsaw. Actually, I'm going to put it around. Okay, now that the key is inserted, it is going to be pushed up, okay, with this red button. Okay, if you push it off, push it down, it's going to go off. Okay, this right here is the band itself. And when I push it open, I have two knobs. When I replace this, you can see the saw is in a band. This actually has the wheel and the band around it, so it goes up and down. Now this is unplugged right here just for safety purposes, but it's going to need to lock, so you need to make sure this is locked. You'll see a little click in here. This will not open. Over here, if I scroll down a little bit, this right here is where your shop vac is going to be plugged into. It's going to be turned on, okay, and it's going to suck all of the sawdust and all of the wood chips in it. I will be doing a demonstration on this utilizing your blocks of balsa wood, and you will have to pass a little quiz. This will be in the safety quiz that I have for you. One thing lastly that I wanted to say is that you want to make sure that your hands are a good distance away from this blade. Okay, if you need a certain cut, alright, we'll try to do it straight so we don't bend the blade and break it. But